70. Right now we are joined by Matt Bunk with Arizona Capitol Times. Matt, what was Judge Bolton's rationale in blocking key parts of the immigration bill? I mean, some say she might as well have blocked the whole thing.
Yeah, right. Judge Bolton basically dissected the law, looked at the different parts of it, and decided that basically the major portions, the most significant portions of the law, are likely to be found unconstitutional. And she's basing that decision on the Supremacy Clause of the United States Constitution, which the federal government has argued gives them the sole authority to regulate immigration in the country. And this injunction is just a temporary hold on the law. But most of the legal experts that we talked to yesterday are saying that this is likely to be very close, or if not identical, to what Judge Bolton will eventually rule once those arguments have been fully heard in court. So this is a very good indicator of what's going to stand up as this moves forward.
So what remains of SB 1070 and what is out, at least for now?
Yeah, what remains in 1070 are actually some of the things that haven't made the headlines. Really, it's the first thing that most of the immigration hawks are talking about that are still in the law. It's the sanctuary city policy ban. Largely, the ruling was that it's okay to ban cities from creating any kind of policy that would differ from federal immigration, that would hinder the enforcement of federal immigration laws. And, Russell Pierce is touting this as a big victory, but yet Russell Pierce has yet to completely or specifically define what he's talking about, what specific policies he's talking about when he says that certain cities have sanctuary city policies. So we'll have to see, I guess, on exactly what that means. But the other part that's going to remain is also, there's going to be some stiff penalties for anybody who picks up and transports illegal immigrants. So, I mean, this could be down to hitchhiking or whatever else. But if you pick up an illegal immigrant, you could face up to 6 months in jail if you're caught.
All right. Matt Bunk with Arizona Capitol Times. Thanks so much for joining us this morning.